DC Blue Advanced Roll-Up, Receiver Setup, Learning of a Transmitter into the Auxiliary Relay Channel. Please note that the DC Blue Advanced Roll-Up Control Card onboard rolling code receiver incorporates 4 channels which can each take up to 31 users. To begin, press and hold A and B for 3 seconds to enter programming mode. Buzzer beeps twice. Press and release A up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 flashes on A. Moving forward, press and hold the required or desired transmitter button while pressing and holding press and release A and B. 1 beep successfully learnt in, 3 beeps would have been unsuccessful. A gives 3 flashes. To learn in additional transmitters, follow the same procedures. We are still in program mode. Either proceed to set up additional features or press and hold A and B for 3 seconds to exit.